Hi friends, myself Prerna Goyal, a motivational speaker and a language trainer. Today I am with you with my topic birth. It's a big thing to understand that do we take birth to study, work or to have family life? Is that all? No. We live in this world, we take birth in this world for our love and respect, for our dignity to be in this world. I think we take birth as a boy or a girl. Let's talk about boy first. When we take birth as a boy, we are always welcomed in the family because we grow the generation of our parents. We always help them in working in their businesses or otherwise. We are the decision makers as well for the family. We own the property of parents or own self as well. We also can get married life of our choice, and even the remarriage is an option these days. But when it comes to the girls, I think friends, girls are not having all these opportunities to be fortune of their family. They are welcomed sometimes if they are not having girl in their family, only in that condition. Otherwise, girl becomes as a burden. She is not considered as a generation growth part of the family, and she is not a decision maker of any family, either in her parents' family or in her in-laws' family or even in her husband's family. Even the property which belongs, generally it is of either parents or in-laws or husband, but the family does not give any property on the name of the wife or the daughter. So now I should say that female faces the challenges in her life, especially after the husband. She always looked for a house, what I can call is my house. To the parents' house, she has to say, it is my parents' house. To the in-laws' house, she says, it is my in-laws' house. To the husband's house, she says, it is my husband's house. But if she starts fighting for own property, they never agree for that, and they start having doubts on her character or on her future togetherness with the family. So she is generally left alone without any property. So when she becomes old, and in case if husband is not there, then she faces family issues to tackle, that how to be comfortable in her old age or how to solve the financial issues. So now we understand that the female security is the question in the society and in her mind as well, as it is all time insecurity in her mind, that what is her future, how it can be secure. Therefore, ladies are having a different attitude these days, that sometimes if they have doubt on the families that they are not securing her future for her old age, so they try to save the money, try to have different accounts and try to show their identity for her future security. On the behalf of these kind of ladies, why they are changing in this new era, I also have written a poem, which I would like to recite for you. जब हम नजरें झुकाते थे तो ढाए सबने सितम, हमने नजरें उठाना सीख लिया जमाने की कसम। जब हम पीछे पीछे चलते थे कुचले जाते थे हमने संग दौड़ना सीख लिया जमाने की कसम। जब हम उनकी भक्ति करते थे खुश कर सके ना हमने खुशी को खुद में ढूंढ लिया जमाने की कसम। जब हम उन्हें अपनी दुनिया समझते थे सुने न हमारे गम, हमने दुनिया को गले लगा लिया जमाने की कसम। जीवन की खुशी तो चाहिए ये जानते सब हम, लेकिन दुनिया को मुट्ठी में कर लिया लहरा दिए परचम। ऐसा दर्पण जो हमने देख लिया ये जान गए हैं हम, इस दुनिया के हर पैमाने में कोई छोटा ना कम। ज़माने की कसम, ज़माने की कसम। So friends, you can understand the pain or experience of the females, especially in Indian society. I would always request all the men, all the social structure of this type, or even the government, that they should do something for the future security of the females so that they can live their old age very well. Thanks friends, and now my number is 9958427005 for your suggestions and the feedback. Thanks.